first morning here, heading off to work, you see it. So yeah, this is my first time out of my comfort zone, you know. Like my whole life I've been doing, you know, fishing and thing. Yeah, so
as you can see by the colourful shirt, it's not fishing.
Yeah, it's not fishing.
Hello, good morning, where do you came from? Perfect stranger I've been waiting on. Right place at the right time. Nobody can tell me you ain't mine. Yeah. To be honest, I've never been this bold. Your personality, it warms my soul. All they ever do is lie to you, baby. Tell them other niggas bye-bye. Yeah. Come over here, so I know you love my accent.
Babe's running to get Island's hat because Island dropped it. Oh, God. Look what you did, Baba. Daddy's running, look.
Mom.
Island.
Mom.
Dad's running because of you. Oh, God. They watch, guys. Here comes Man in Black.
You couldn't tell me to say drop it. Huh?
He's gonna drop it again, so just keep it off. That was a good little run.
Yeah.
Oh my God, look how tropical these trees are. So pretty.
Which way are we going? Here?
Straight, baby.
What's going on, my beautiful people? Welcome back to the Island Family channel. Alright guys, so this video basically what's happening right now is that I'll be going I just got a job and things, so tomorrow I'll be start working and things. So what's happening now is that I am here buying some work clothes, buying socks and all that, you see it. So yeah, I have to dress a type of way, so yeah, I have to get work shoes and all of that. But I'm also thinking,
Hey,
like,
look, hey guys, it's your girl Maria, Chica de la Isla, you know. Hi Island Tribe, Wagwan.
yeah, man.
Alright, so babe, I got you this too. I thought that maybe that might help, like in the warm winter days.
Okay.
Like
Oh, there.
the cooler days, the cooler mornings.
Okay.
But they also have like those ones there.
Yeah.
Longer jackets.
Okay. Yeah, guys. So we'll be starting work soon. Well, tomorrow, you see it. So I'm also thinking, like, you guys probably not gonna get vlog as much as we've been uploading, you know. So hopefully we can at least put out 2 videos per week. We're hoping, you see it. So yeah.
We'll do the best we can, guys.
Yeah.
We can't promise.
Yeah,
you know,
because
but at the moment we're gonna try and upload because you guys are great and we need to keep uploading.
yeah, because to be honest, YouTube gonna be like my second job now, and you know, we do make a living from YouTube as well. You know, it does help us, so we don't want to quit YouTube fully. And it's not like, oh, we're using it as a work, but it's something that we really enjoy doing, you see it. So
big time,
we don't want to left that behind, you see it. So we have to try to balance work and make time to do our adventure. You know, it's experience for us, also memories for us to do these things. So yeah, we're trying to keep everything alive same way, you see it. So we hope that we can produce at least 2 videos per week. So yeah.
Alright,
yeah,
guys,
man, so
we're gonna do our best we can.
Yeah, so get some socks already and thing. So
I think you're gonna be hot. You better start getting short pants there. Remember, the pants don't have to be cargo as such. They can be like, you know, long in winter, in the winter months. Alright, so do you like these shirts? I think these are nice.
yeah, those are good.
I think you should get a medium.
Yeah, medium would work.
I think medium would work for you.
Yeah.
Oh God, they don't have a medium. They're all large or small. Just gonna have to go with the small.
Yeah, small look good. Small even look big, but that would fit.
That will fit?
Yeah, that will fit.
Okay. Do you want to get like a summery one? Or we'll just get the long sleeves for now?
We'll just get that for now.
Because I don't want you to get burnt. You know, Australian sun, guys, is really strong here.
Yeah. But I can always roll up the sleeves anyway.
But just remember, guys, it gets really hot here.
Yeah.
Summertime, it's hot.
Yeah.
The sun is...
I mean, we're gonna have more than one at the end of the day.
yeah, for sure.
Yeah, so buy
Alright,
one for
pants.
now. And then we'll buy another short one at another time.
Yeah, another time.
Because we're gonna need more
Yeah,
regardless.
Regardless,
Yeah.
because you.
Yeah.
Okay, so you want tall pants?
Yeah.
I think they're lady ones. Are these females or males, sorry?
Them ones are males. I think it's just from like here down. It's just
Oh,
females.
okay.
Okay.
Alright, cool. Okay, thank you.
Yeah, which is just here.
They're a size small.
They look kind of small, I think.
These are an extra small, but
But there's no reason why.
just don't understand. I think they will fit you. What do you reckon?
I'd have to try it.
You'll have to try it out and
Yeah.
see. You don't want them to be too tight. You're going to be bending and stuff as
True
well.
that, that's
so
true.
you do want to have like some
Well-
room. I'm thinking more like they're 30. I'm thinking more like this kind of color maybe. What do you reckon?
Yeah, that would be good. That would be good.
You need to get
Those ones are huge.
36. 36.
Face look a bit big.
They do they? How big are they?
Yeah, it looks a bit big. How far is the
Come here.
changing?
Let me. It's not there. They're a bit far. It's on the other side.
What are you doing?
They say that if you
What is she doing?
guys, they say, right, listen here. They say that if you put like on a man, I don't know if it works for a woman, but if you put the pants or the whatever around the neck, it usually fits, but it's a little bit tight.
The first time I ever hear that.
So I don't know.
Is that true, guys? Let me know.
I don't know, guys. I got like, I don't know. Anyways, try it on. It's best to try it on and then we know.
Where's the change?
On the other side. And you try the shirt on as well.
Okay.
Alright, here. Let me help the GoPro.
On this way?
Yeah, and then we have to come for the work boots, which are there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright. Just browsing around, waiting on babe. And it comes out and tells me they don't fit. Yeah. So just, oh, they have like nice shorts here. So Kmart is like, I think, I'm not sure because I've never been to the US, but I think Kmart is like Walmart in America. They just have, I don't know if, here I know they have like everything, like besides food products. I think they've only got like snacks. That's it. So yeah, they're like bike shorts. Thing is when your husband, ladies, is trying things on in the change room, you always know women always have to pick up something for themselves too. I'm just browsing right now. If I find something I like, I'll take it. I like them. They look comfy. They look very comfortable. They're like exercise pants, I think. These shorts. Interesting. Wouldn't mind a pair of blackish shorts for work, because my work is I can wear anything I want just as long as it's sensible. So it's a good thing. So it's a good fit for babe, everyone. It's a good fit.
Yes.
It's a good thing. Work boots. Okay. Work boots. What colour do you like?
Not really fascinated with colors like that.
Like
In
that?
terms of shoes and but yeah.
Okay. So safety toe?
Yeah, it did say it doesn't have to be steel toe, right? I think it did say that.
Babe's picked a pair of slippers. He's gonna try them on.
You mean shoe?
Oh, yeah, shoe.
You got
Shoe, guys.
yeah. The size 11. Yeah, fit good. You know the crazy thing, because
You know what they say, ladies? A man in boots.
but Jesus, so yeah. In Jamaica I wear 9.5. I know in Australia it's size 11.
Yeah, that's big. You know, the next size up is just 12.
Yeah.
And there is no other size, I don't think.
Oh, really?
After you get them custom made. I think so.
Really?
Yeah, size 12 is the biggest. Do you want to try size 12?
Let me try.
To see? Here, size 12.
Jesus.
That's the size 12.
Don't make me feel like my foot them so big.
Yeah, that's it, size 12. Yeah.
This is huge, well look.
Are they? Do they dangle on you? Do
Look
they
at that.
dangle?
Look
Oh,
at
well, size 11 still good.
Yeah. Yeah, this is so huge.
Size 11 still good.
Yeah.
Yeah. Maybe,
Let me get this one.
no, you're gonna be too bright then. Any hat, doesn't have to be a specific hat.
It's okay.
Show me, country boy. Oh guys, look at this. Wagwan.
Alright.
No, you gotta say, oh shit, you've got a big head. Guys, he's got a big
I
head.
think
And
it's
you
because
say
of my
island.
hair.
And you say, cause island.
No, it's my hair.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
I need something
Yeah,
bigger.
something bigger. What do they come in? Oh, they're all one size. Try that one.
That one look like it's not gonna make it. Jesus, you're forcing it.
I'm not forcing it. It's supposed to be tight though still.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Yeah, this feels good.
Hmm?
Feels good. I like it.
You comfortable with it? And then you can even pull the sides up and clip them if you want.
Oh. Yeah, this feels good.
Well, you've got this one, which is ultra visual. No, yeah, that's too bright, babe. You look so freaking ridiculous. Wear that one.
Yeah. Alright guys, so just stop off at a mega choice store. Yeah. So just I walk around. Beautiful life there. And these ugly people here. I don't know who they are. What the hell are these?
For Halloween.
Oh, Halloween coming. When is Halloween?
End of October, I think. Hang on. Yeah. Yeah.
I've never celebrated those things, you know?
They're so pretty for the entrance of the house.
Yeah. Copyright music, guys.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Look at this.
Yeah, a little bamboo. Beautiful.
Yeah, they don't sell them separately, guys.
The little thing to
I mean,
dig
they
out
sell them
the...
separately. What I mean to say is they don't sell them. Oh, here they do. Here, together.
That's to dig out the
Yeah,
bad weed?
that fork
Okay.
to dig out the weed. So that's what we need. We're going to buy that.
Yeah.
Awesome. That's what my mother bought, but that's not the one we want. And this is to cut
Garden blitz.
the lemon
Blitz.
tree. What we need.
Yeah.
But they got water guns here.
That's the one.
Which one is it?
Oh, like my pirate knife. Hiya!
What's that?
Cards.
Chess,
Yeah.
dominoes.
Oh, Jesus.
Do you know how to play that?
What?
Dominoes and chess. They play it in Jamaica.
I know how to play domino, but I don't know about chess. I've never played it. Chess is like a mind game, huh? Have to be well focused. Right?
Alright, we'll just get that.
Yeah.
Oh my god, I'd love to buy my mum a lovely teapot set. Aww. How much, aren't they? But I don't know if she'll be able to take it on the plane with her though. Oh, hi guys, we're at the ice cream shop right now.
Yeah.
And just signing in, because we've got to sign in everywhere we go, guys. So, yeah. Sign in. They got all kinds of ice creams here, guys.
Seeps.
As you can see.
I don't even know where to start, which to choose.
Johnny's Jamaica. Johnny's Jamaica.
Jamaica.
Banana. Banana's really nice.
Yeah.
Macadamia nuts and cream. That is really nice too.
You can choose that.
Choose one for you?
Yeah, you choose one for me, because...
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. No problem.
You know the nice ones.
Yeah, no problem. Get two
I have like the cones here.
One big scoop.
Yeah, that would do.
Can I try dulce leche? Can I just have a sample?
Okay.
Can I get a sample for my husband? That's different.
Yeah.
It's different.
Thank you.
Yeah, it's not, because I'm Spanish, so it's not exactly the same, but it's close enough.
Yeah.
Oh, right, okay. So it's American Baskin and Robbins. Oh, yeah, Baskin and Robbins.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, so we're going to get 2 waffle cones, 1 scoop of banana.
Yeah.
And I'm going to get, what's the best chocolate?
I personally believe the best chocolate is lobster chocolate, and we only have it once a year.
It's actually dessert before dinner.
Yeah.
We just felt like, yeah, why not?
Of course.
All right, you have the banana
Thank you.
and me for the chocolate. Thank you very much. You have a great evening.
Thank you.
See ya. Bye. There you
Bye.
guys go. There you
Yeah.
guys go. My island tribe.
You know the vibes.
You know the vibes.
Ice cream.
Ice cream.
Voila.
Voila.
Yeah, guys. Survive,
You
man.
need to breathe in that mask though. Guys. Oh my god, that is so nice.
Yeah.
Sorry. Let me try banana.
That is nice. Guys, it's the first time I'm seeing this. They even have dog pram. What the hell?
I thought I had a baby.
Oh my god.
I thought they had a baby, but they actually have a dog pram.
Guys, call me an idiot if you want to, but I'm new to this. I've never seen dog in a pram. Look at that. 2 dogs in a pram.
2 dogs in a pram?
It's 2 of them. It's 2 dogs. And there you go, guys. Walking your dogs in a stroller.
Huh?
So, you don't see this every day, babe?
No. Okay, so I went with my client the other day to the pet store and I saw a stroller in there and I'm like, oh wow, they sell baby strollers in here. And all of a sudden, the lady that was standing next to me, she goes, oh, they're not baby strollers, they're actually dog strollers. I went, oh my god, that explains why I'm in a pet store.
Wow.
And I'm like, but they look like baby strollers. They do. Anyway, dogs can be babies, I guess.
Dog them out here, live life, my peeps.
Good morning, Ali family. So baby's starting work today and I thought that I'd just tape him because he looks crazy as hell. Hold up. Hang on, wait. I know I look shit too, but I mean, here he is going to come out the door in a minute. Ready? Okay, go this way.
Let's get the hell out of here. My Jesus. Here we go. Fish. First day at work. Cold.
Cold. And he's like, I don't know if I should wear my jumper. I said, well, it's cold. You got no choice.
Yeah.
You know?
Good morning, my beautiful people.
Good morning.
Yes, Rasta. So, guys, first morning here, heading off to work. You see it. So, yeah. This is my first time out of my comfort zone. You know, like my whole life I've been doing, you know, fishing and thing. Yeah. So.
As you can see by the colourful shirt, it's not fishing.
Yeah, it's not fishing, you know. So yeah, it's new experience. I'm not gonna say I'm excited, but I'm here for the experience and I'm here to work and, you know, provide just the same. So you know, I'm gonna try it out. If it doesn't suit me, you know, it's just what it is. But I'm not scared of working, so I'm here to work and do what must be done. You see it? So yeah, first day at work. Let's see what it all like. You see, today is really training day, so yeah. How you feeling, babe?
For you, excited. I feel like you're gonna be good. You'll be alright.
Yeah.
You know, and it's gonna be a new environment for you.
Yeah.
So I think you will like it. Different. You'll get to meet new people and things like that too. So
yeah. So,
I'm happy for it.
yeah. So I'll see how it all goes, guys, and things. You see it. So yeah.
But then again, no pressure.
Yeah, and the good thing about it is that
experience.
yeah, the good thing about it is that my brother-in-law is my supervisor. You see it, so yeah, what couldn't ask for better than that.
That's right.
You see it, so yeah, I'll be in good hands. Yeah, yeah. So that's what's up.
100%, guys. So we had our morning tea and coffee.
Yeah.
I'm on my way to work after drop, babe. So
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah. So Island is staying with Grandma today.
Yeah. So we have to organize our family schedules,
Yeah.
I think, now, because babe's working now, so
Yeah.
we'll have to figure out daycare and all that sort of stuff, or you know, yeah. So
Yeah.
we'll just go with the flow, really.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's what's up,
That's
guys.
what's happening.
First day at work.
Yeah.
Okay, guys.
That's right.
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned.
Blessings.
Bless up.